Today, I'll show you how to change view in Microsoft Planner. First, open Microsoft Planner in your browser or open your planner board from Microsoft Teams. Sign in with the Microsoft account you use for your work or school organization. Now, open the plan you want to manage. Once the plan opens, look near the top of the screen. You should see different view options depending on your version of Planner. The most common view is Board View. This shows your tasks as cards inside buckets or columns. Board View is useful when you want to organize tasks by stage, category, or workflow. To switch views, click the View option at the top of the plan. You may see options like Board, Grid, Charts, Schedule, or People. Click Grid if you want to see your tasks in a table format. This view is useful when you want to quickly scan task names, due dates, progress, priority, and assigned people. Click Charts if you want a visual summary of your plan. This can help you see how many tasks are completed, late, in progress, or assigned to each team member. Click Schedule if you want to view tasks on a calendar. This is helpful when you want to check deadlines and plan work by date. Click People if you want to see tasks grouped by the person they are assigned to. This makes it easier to check workload across the team. You can also change how tasks are grouped inside Board View. Look for the Group By option near the top of the board, click it, then choose how you want to organize your tasks. You can group tasks by bucket, assign to, progress, due date, labels, or priority, depending on the options available in your account. For example, choose progress if you want to see tasks separated into not started, in progress, and completed. Choose assign to if you want to see who is responsible for each task. Choose due date if you want to focus on upcoming deadlines. If you want to narrow down what you see, use the filter option. You can filter tasks by person, label, due date, progress, priority, or keyword. This is not exactly changing the view, but it helps you customize what appears on the screen. If you are using Microsoft Planner inside Teams and you do not see all view options, try opening the plan in the Planner web app. Some views may be easier to access there. So, to keep it simple, open your plan, choose a view like Board, Grid, Charts, Schedule, or People, then use Group, By, and Filter to organize the tasks the way you want. And that's how you change view in Microsoft Planner. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.